old alloy-based Honda Mower. We can see the amount of wheel wobble. Use a screwdriver to lift off the retaining clip. The clip looks like it has been bent before. The axle has a lot of play. Let's take off the other clip. This will free the entire front axle. Remove the circlip and washer. This is for the height adjustment. Put this back on so we do not lose it. This will now allow the axle to be removed. We can see this has worn right through the base. The hole allows the plastic sleeve to slip around. The other side has a lot of wear as well. We need to fill this missing alloy section. Aluminium alloy welding is costly. The heat would destroy the pristine paintwork. We need to fill this cheaply. Let's try this metal repair paste. Mix equal parts of A and B. Once the colour is uniform, it will start setting. The setting time is slow. You have a lot of working time. We also need to make backings to prevent runoff. Here I box around the mixed paste. Setting time is around 3 hours. It sets hard and can be trimmed. I used blue tack to hold the paper in place. Blue tack is not good for sticking paper onto walls. It's difficult to remove from walls and mower bases. We file the set repair paste. Trial fit the plastic sleeve. This is the view of the other side. Not quite as bad, but still needs to be fixed. Another loose sleeve. This is the other side with set paste. File each side flat. Test fit the plastic axle locator. Mix more metal repair paste and apply. Try and avoid making air bubbles. Also avoid making air bubbles in the paste. Go to the outside and check that it is filled properly. Remember that you can overfill and then trim back. We want no voids in the mix. We plan to insert the axle sleeve while it is soft. Silicone oil lubricant will allow separation. Put the lubed sleeve in place. Make sure it is sitting straight. Leave this to set for at least 3 hours. Once set, remove the plastic sleeve. Use a file to trim the excess. Excess seems to be easy to remove. It makes you wonder how strong it really is. The sleeve fits exactly. Do the same for the opposite side. Remove the sleeve. File off the excess. Assessing the lack of axle play now. Install the wire retaining clips. No more slop in the wheels. Thanks for watching.